So the Sonic Boom Max3 is a pretty big, powerful boombox speaker. It's definitely an alternative speaker comparing to the Boombox 4, but this one still has this big racetrack driver, it still has a three-way system, and you definitely hear this in the sound, but it also has a few downsides. Especially the big focus on bass can be a bit annoying with some songs. Especially with the bass mode on, this thing rumbles too much. So also for all my audio samples I decided to keep the bass mode off because it doesn't really add bass, it just mumbles the bass more. Also, you do have an EQ support, also custom EQs, but I did notice if you use custom EQs you do get some more volume drops with bass performance, but also on louder volume. I do think that the normal EQ is good. It's the best, I would say, compromise between everything. You do have one pop EQ which does give you more clarity. But again, this speaker is still very much focused on bass performance, and while it will be great for outdoor use, for indoor the speaker actually isn't really, I would say, that usable. With the JBLs at least you do get a more normal, less power hungry bass performance than with this speaker. And yeah, while JBL maybe isn't always the best in its output of bass, this one is maybe a bit too much for some songs. So without further ado, here are a few audio samples, enjoy them, and yeah, see how this big bass boy is performing.
Smelling like trouble. One match strike, whole night doubles. Midnight in my backseat. You keep leaning closer to the heat. Heartbeat riding that deep too slow. If you want me, just drip of rain on my windowsill, phone face down, but I feel the pull. You said space, like you meant goodbye. Left your coat, but you took my sky. It's heavy in my chest, like a name that I can't swallow. Every breath's a test of a world I didn't choose to follow. You walked out the door, but the weight of you stayed pressed on my ribs, on my breath, heavy in my chest. Loose gravel in my shoes, late bus, wrong stop. Coffee gone cold in my hand, billboard flicker over pawn shop glass. Grain in a minor city, you and me blurred at the edge. Every frame a little shaky, every word caught on the All that breath, don't close the door. I know what you came here for. Split the room, split the room. Watch me split the room. One step in, then I bloom. Watch me split the room, split the room, split the room. Watch me split the room. When I hit that switch, go boom. Watch me split the room. I got ice in my grip, but my pulse got heat. I don't chase no crown, I just move my.
What it is, whole room losing grip, up, then gone, then back. That low end on the tag. You and me, we ride that wave, stomach falling, bodies brave, up, then gone, then back. That low end on the tag. You pull me off beat, laugh in my neck, heat high. We ghost into the crowd, then crash, then slip, then slide. When it hits, whole room losing grip, up, then gone, then back. That low end on the tag. You and me, we ride that wave, stomach falling, bodies brave. Spiegelkugel im Block, Herz im Takt, alles was uns gefehlt hat, ist grad exakt. Wenn du tanzt, wird der Beton ganz weich. Nur heute dabei. Kein VIP, kein Dresscode, kein Plan B, nur die Treppenmaus, Duft und der Parfüm-Klischee. Wenn das Licht angeht, sind wir kurz verkehrt, doch bis dahin wird die Zeit verkehrt. Spiegelkugel im Block, wir drehen frei. Du sagst bleib noch ein Song, ich sag zwei, kein Plan für morgen.